Did you know that 83% of business owners have no estate plan at all? Yeah, that's a reality. Why is that a reality? Well, usually because small to medium-sized business owners spend their entire lives building their business. This is their baby. And they put blood, sweat, and tears and countless hours into building their own little empire. Whether it's little or big, it's important to them because it's what they have crafted with their own sweat. But they often fall short on the estate plan and the business succession plan. So I've had countless individuals and families that have come in throughout the years and said, you know, my mom, my dad, my parents, they had this business and they passed away. And, you know, what do we do? And I'm looking at their business documents and there's no coordination with an estate plan. So I have to tell them, well, the business is probably going to get shut down for 6 to 12 months while it's in probate, because dad was the only one that had the checkbook to write payroll. So as soon as all the employees figured out that dad passed away, they're going to get other jobs. So now rent's not getting paid, mortgage isn't getting paid, no one's there to answer the phones. And what sometimes have been multi-million-dollar a year revenue businesses go down to nothing. And by the time they get out of probate, we're selling off used furniture, fixtures, and equipment. If that business owner knew that this was going to be the result of his or her life's work, I promise you they would have done it differently. This is your opportunity as a business owner to do it differently and to plan ahead. It's not very difficult to coordinate business assets with an estate plan. First and foremost, you need to have an estate plan. So we should start with that conversation. And that base conversation is the same for everyone, whether you're a business owner or not. Who do you want to be in charge if you lose capacity or pass away? And who are your beneficiaries? Do we have any special family dynamics that we need to work around? Usually if we dig deep enough, there's dynamics in every family. So we isolate those, we identify them, and we handle them with proper trust planning and language within our trust documents. Then we look at your business plan. We all know we're going to pass away. You may or may not own your business at the time of your death. If you do, we want to make sure that there is a seamless transfer of ownership in the business into your trust or to a key person in your business, and we can set those things up. If you have a partnership, we want to have a discussion with all of the owners of what does this look like if one of us passes away? How are we going to extract your percentage of value for your family while allowing the other owner to maybe continue to run the business and be profitable? Another thing that we need to think about, not just death, is what about incapacity? What if you're running your business and you have a stroke, or you have a car accident and you're unable to work? Or you start getting older, you're running your business and you get dementia and you're not able to run your business effectively or at all. What does that look like? How do we make your business marketable to maybe one of your competitors or maybe one of your employees who wants to step in and take over the business? And then finally, what if you just run your business until the day you wake up one day and say, I don't think I want to do this anymore. I want to retire. I've done it. I've earned it. I've built it. I want to get out of it. Do you just walk away from your business and let it die a slow death and get nothing for it? Or do you set up your business in a way to extract the maximum amount of equity the day that you decide you want to retire? All of these things are conversations that we have with our clients and with our business owners about death, incapacity, retirement. If we cover all of those and we wrap everything into the estate plan, you're in much better shape than the average business owner. Another thing that we talk to business owners about is liability. What are potential sources of lawsuits and risk that may or may not be covered by your current insurance policies? While we're at it, let's look at your insurance policies and have them reviewed by an expert to give you an opinion on do you have the right insurance with the right coverage and in the right amounts. So we look at your business assets, we look at your personal assets, and we make sure that if something goes south in your business or your personal life, that the creditors, the potential plaintiffs that are going to hire the billboard attorney and come after you guns a-blazing, they get the least amount possible from you because you've thought about it and you've set things up prior to an event happening. So if you're a business owner, I encourage you to come on in, dust off your business binder that you probably haven't looked at in 20 years, and let's have a discussion about it. I promise you, there will be opportunities that you never thought of to create value and efficiency at the time of your disability, incapacity, retirement, or death. Don't spend a life working on your business and building your baby to just let it go away slowly in the night. This is something that's important. You love your family, you love your business. Let's put them both together and make sure that your business continues to feed your family even when you're not able to work in it or you've passed away. Have a great day.